Today we are going to start with the NFA, that is non-deterministic finite automata. We have already completed with DFA, that is deterministic finite automata, in last lecture, right? So what is NFA? So NFA is nothing but the finite automata which allows 0, 1 or more transitions from a state for the same input symbol. The basic difference between NFA and DFA is that in DFA, from one state for one input only one transition can be shown, and in NFA, from one state for one input more than one transition can be shown. That is the main basic difference between NFA and DFA. So NFA is also a 5-tuple machine. M is equals to Q summation delta Q0 capital F. So here is an example that is shown over here. Q0, for 0 input we are going to Q3, and for 1 input we are going to Q1. From Q1 1 input Q2, and from Q3 0 input Q4. Now see here, from Q0 0, 1 there is also one input, right? Self loop. So see here, from Q0 for 0 input we are showing over here more than one transition, right? So that's why this is called as NFA, as it allows 0, 1 or more transition, which is not possible in DFA. Okay, now this is the example. Same, after showing this example we have to show this in a transition table. This is the transition diagram, right? So how we are going to show transition table? That is Q summation. So what is the summation? 0 and 1. What is the Q? Q is nothing but the number of states: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. So final states we are going to show with the star mark, Q2 and Q4. Initial state we show it with the arrow mark, right? So from Q0, by taking 0 input, where we are going? In Q0 and Q3. So that's why we have to show both the states, that is Q0, Q3 in a set. Okay. So from Q0, by taking one input we are going to Q0 itself. Q1, from Q1 by taking 0 input we are not going to anywhere. From Q1 by taking 1 input we are going to Q2. From Q2 by taking 0 input, Q2 only, 1, Q2 only. Q3 by taking 0, Q4, and by taking 1 nothing is there, Q4, Q4, Q4. Okay, now this is the transition table. Delta Q on summation produces next state, right? Now how we are going to show the string acceptance over here? For example, if I want to show the string 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, that should be accepted by this NFA. Okay, so same way we have to show over here as like DFA, from Q0 itself. So Q0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, we have to split it into two parts, that is delta of Q0, delta of Q0, first input we have to take from here, that is remaining we have to put as it is, right? So that is equivalent to delta of Q0, 0 is nothing but the Q0, Q3, right? So Q0, Q3, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now see here, there are two states from Q0 by taking 0 inputs, Q0 and Q3. So see here, what we have to do in this case, we have to do the union of these two. Okay, now for example, how we are going to take the union? That is delta of Q0, 1, 0, 0, 1 union delta of Q3, 1, 0, 0, 1. So likewise we have to take the union. Now again we have to split it into delta of Q0, 1, 0, 1, 1 union delta of q3 comma 1 comma 0 0 1. So what is here delta of, what is over here delta of q0 comma 1? Now q0 comma 1 is nothing but the q0, so delta of q0, so 0 0 1 union. Now q3 comma 1, now what is q3 comma 1? That is phi, nothing is there, right? So q3 comma 1 is nothing but the phi. So phi, if we are considering with any input, that should result in phi. So that's why q0 comma 0 0 1 union phi. So now we have to split this into further delta of q0 comma 0 and remaining input as it is. So what is q0 comma 0? q0 q3 again, right? So q0 comma q3 comma 0 1, again we have to split it into union part, right? So delta of q0 comma 0 1 union delta of q3 comma 0 1. So how it becomes? Now what is q, again we have to split delta of q0 comma 0 comma 1 union delta of q3 comma 0 comma 1. Now what is over here q0 comma 0? What is q0 comma 0? That is again q0 comma q3 comma 1 union. What is q3 comma 0? That is q4, right? So q3 comma 0 is nothing but q4 comma 1. Okay, clear? Now again we have to split this, right? So which is equivalent to delta of q0 comma 1 union delta of लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. सो डेल्टा ऑफ q0 comma 1 union delta of q3 comma 1 union delta of q4 comma 1. So what is this now? q0 comma 1 is nothing but q0 q3, right? So q0 comma q3 comma q3 comma 1 is nothing but phi, right? So nothing is there. q4 comma 1 is nothing but q4. So what is the output over here? q0 q3 q4, set of q0 q3 q4. Now as over here in this set, q4 is the final state present, right? So q4 is the final state, so that's why because final answer, how we have to write? Because the final set contains q4, which is the final state, right? So the given string is accepted by the NFA, right? Clear? So likewise we have to show the string acceptance and we have to draw the diagram. So this is the example of NFA. Okay, now actually whenever the question asks the definition, whenever asked on the NFA, so you have to give this the definition of NFA, then one example you have to give, right? But directly as on DFA some questions might ask. So likewise on NFA कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं जाता है. तो क्वेश्चन किस पे पूछा जाता है NFA पे? दैट इज़ NFA टू DFA कन्वर्जन पे, राइट? So next topic is nothing but NFA to DFA conversion.